The media knows that this is a dicey ruling, okay? But they're playing it like, well, I'm sure Trump is just going to say, hey, listen, when you bring something that opens you up to criticism, you're asking for it. And that's what happened with this ruling. You are begging Trump to make the case that the system is coming after him and doing anything it can. Let's just deal with what matters most to the folks at home. Does this stand, and do you believe Trump does not get on the primary ballot in Colorado?
I think it's my guess, it's my speculation that the Supreme Court of the United States is likely to take this case. And that's because, for some of the reasons you've already pointed out, this is a big deal. And there are real consequences here. And the consequences here are different than if Trump had been allowed on the ballot. But saying categorically you can't even get on the ballot may be the kind of harm that will catch the Supreme Court's attention and identify a problem the Supreme Court will try to decide. I think one of the critical questions the court would identify is whether or not the court itself should be the institution deciding this matter, or perhaps Congress should decide it, or we'll leave it to the states. And I think this is a hornet's nest if the court gets involved. And I think, again, my estimation is the court will try to avoid this. And in other words, the court will try to make somebody else responsible for the outcome.